welcome to our video on the industrial pizza production process. Today, we'll be taking you on a behind-the-scenes tour of a large-scale pizza production facility to show you how your favorite pizzas are made in bulk. The first step in the industrial pizza production process is making the dough. Flour, yeast, salt, and water are typically used to make pizza dough. But different brands may use slightly different ratios or additional ingredients. These ingredients are carefully measured out and combined in a mixing bowl, then kneaded together using a large industrial mixer. Once the dough has been mixed, it's time for the fermentation process. The dough is placed in large industrial bins and left to rest for several hours. During this time, the yeast in the dough consumes the sugars and produces carbon dioxide, which causes the dough to rise. After fermentation, the dough is ready to be shaped. The dough is divided into individual portions and then rolled out into the desired thickness and shape using large industrial rollers. The dough is then placed on a conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of the pizza production process. Overall, the dough-making process used in industrial pizza production is a carefully controlled and highly automated process. By using large mixers, fermentation bins, and industrial rollers, pizza manufacturers can create large quantities of consistent, high-quality dough that is perfect for making delicious pizzas. Once the dough has risen, it's time to shape it. One of the most important machines used in this process is the dough sheeter. This machine is designed to flatten the dough to the desired thickness and size, using a series of rollers and belts. The dough is fed into the machine at one end, and then passed through a series of rollers that gradually flatten it out to the desired thickness. The flattened dough then passes through a set of belts that help to shape it into a circular or rectangular shape. Another important machine used in the pizza production process is the dough divider. This machine is used to divide the dough into individual portions, ensuring that each pizza is consistent in size and shape. The dough divider uses a set of rotating blades to cut the dough into equal portions, which are then ready to be shaped and topped. Finally, there's the dough rounder. This machine is used to round off the edges of the dough, ensuring that each pizza is perfectly shaped and ready for toppings. The dough is fed into the rounder and then passed through a series of rotating belts and rollers, which help to shape the dough into a perfect round. Overall, the machines used in the pizza production process are designed to work together seamlessly, creating a highly efficient and automated process. By using these machines, pizza manufacturers can produce large quantities of consistent, high-quality dough that is perfectly shaped and ready for toppings. Next, it's time to add the sauce and toppings. The sauce used in industrial pizza production is typically made from a combination of crushed tomatoes, salt, and various spices and seasonings. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked at a high temperature to create a thick, flavorful sauce that can be easily spread onto the pizza crust. After the sauce is applied, it's time to add the toppings. Pizza toppings can vary widely depending on the region and personal preference, but some popular options include pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and cheese. In industrial pizza production, the toppings are typically added using highly automated machines. For example, a topping dispenser may be used to evenly distribute toppings such as pepperoni or sausage onto the pizza. These machines are highly precise and efficient, allowing manufacturers to produce large quantities of pizzas quickly and consistently. Overall, the sauce and toppings play a critical role in the pizza production process, adding flavor and variety to this beloved food. Whether you prefer classic pepperoni and cheese or more exotic toppings, the industrial pizza production process can deliver a delicious and consistent product every time. In an industrial pizza production facility, machines are used to add the sauce and toppings in a precise and efficient manner. This ensures that each pizza has the perfect amount of sauce and toppings every time. After the toppings have been added, it's time to cook the pizzas. In industrial pizza production, the cooking process typically takes place in a high-temperature oven that uses either gas or electricity to heat the pizza to perfection. The oven itself can come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from traditional brick ovens to more modern conveyor belt ovens. No matter what type of oven is used, the key to a perfectly cooked pizza is ensuring that the temperature is high enough to cook the pizza quickly while also ensuring that it's evenly cooked. Most industrial pizza ovens can reach temperatures of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 482 degrees Celsius, which allows the pizza to cook in just a few minutes. This rapid cooking time is crucial for manufacturers who need to produce large quantities of pizzas quickly. During the cooking process, the pizza is placed directly on the oven's surface or on a conveyor belt that moves the pizza through the oven. As the pizza cooks, the high temperature causes the crust to become crispy and golden brown, while the toppings are cooked to perfection. After the pizza has been cooked, it's removed from the oven and placed on a cooling rack. This allows the pizza to cool slightly before it's sliced and packaged for shipment to restaurants, grocery stores, and other customers. Once the pizzas are cooked, they are moved to the packaging stage. Once the pizzas have been cooked and cooled, they're ready to be packed for shipment to their final destinations. The packing process is critical to ensure that the pizzas arrive at their destination in the same condition as they left the production facility. In most industrial pizza production facilities, the packing process is largely automated. The pizzas are first inspected to ensure that they meet quality standards, and then they're placed into a packaging machine that wraps the pizza in plastic or paper. These packaging machines are designed to handle large volumes of pizzas quickly and efficiently. They can wrap pizzas in a variety of sizes and shapes, depending on the specific requirements of the customer. After the pizzas have been wrapped, they're then placed into a box along with any additional packaging materials, such as insulation to keep the pizzas warm during transportation. The boxes are then sealed and labeled with the necessary information, such as the destination and any special handling instructions. In some cases, the boxes may be stacked onto pallets for easier transportation. These pallets are then wrapped in plastic to keep the boxes secure during transportation. Overall, the packing process is a critical step in ensuring that the pizzas arrive at their destination in the same condition as they left the production facility. By using automated packing machines, industrial pizza manufacturers can quickly and efficiently package large volumes of pizzas to meet the demands of their customers. Machines are used to wrap the pizzas in plastic wrap and place them in boxes. This is done quickly and efficiently to ensure that the pizzas are ready to be shipped out to stores and restaurants. And there you have it, the industrial pizza production process. From start to finish, this process is designed to produce large quantities of high-quality pizzas in a timely and efficient manner. Thanks for joining us on this tour of an industrial pizza production facility. We hope you learned something new about how your favorite pizzas are made in bulk.